official statement that has come in from the JDU. So a replacement has already been announced, the announcement that has come in from the JDU after the resignation of KC Tyagi. So a replacement for the national spokesperson as well. But as Saket was just pointing out, the statements that had been made by KC Tyagi in the recent past were not in line with the official stand of the JDU. So all was not well within the party. Saket, any word on what his next political move will be? All right, stay with us. We have Mr. Rajiv Ranjan joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, thank you for joining us. He has in fact replaced KC Tyagi. Congratulations. Did the party expect that KC Tyagi was going to quit?
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है, ये पार्टी सबको जिम्मेदारियां देती है और केसी त्यागी जी तो उन्होंने लंबे समय तक पार्टी के साथ काम किया है, आज भी पार्टी में हैं। निजी कारणों से अगर उन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया है तो ये मुझे जो जिम्मेदारी मिली है वो रिप्लेसमेंट के तौर पर इसे नहीं देखा जाना चाहिए। पार्टी को लगातार जो भी जिम्मेदारियां मुझे सौंपी गई पूर्व में उसका निर्वहन करके पार्टी को मजबूती प्रदान करने का हम लोगों ने काम किया और हम लोग खुशकिस्मत हैं कि हम जिस पार्टी में हैं उसके नेता आदरणीय नीतीश कुमार जी हैं। उन्होंने लोगों को समय समय पर अवसर दिए हैं और उस कसौटी पर मैं आगे खरा उतरने की कोशिश करूंगा।
अच्छा, राजीव रंजन जी, कंग्रेचुलेशंस, यू आर द जेडीयू स्पोक्सपर्सन नाउ। आपको क्या पार्टी की तरफ से कोई डायरेक्शन दिया गया है कि जब आप स्टेटमेंट्स देंगे तो फिर पार्टी लाइन क्या है पूछ करके बात करनी है? क्योंकि रीसेंट पास में केसी त्यागी ने उन्होंने कुछ बयान दिए थे विच वाज नॉट इन लाइन विद व्हाट द पार्टीज ऑफिशियल लाइन वाज।
देखिए, मैं इस सवाल पर अभी कुछ कहने के बजाय मैं आपको एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूंगा। पार्टी के अंदर आधिकारिक तौर पर जो भी बातें होती हैं वो जो भी प्रतिबद्ध कार्यकर्ता है उसको पता होता है कि हमें क्या कहना है। इसीलिए हर दिन इस पर कोई पार्टी के तरफ से कोई निर्देश जारी हो ऐसी कोई परिपाटी नहीं है। हम लोगों का लंबे समय तक समाजवादी आंदोलन के साथ जुड़ाव रहा है, इसलिए पार्टी के लाइन को हम लोग बखूबी समझते हैं।
अच्छा, तो उनको कोई नाराजगी है पार्टी से या पार्टी से कुछ लोग नाखुश थे उन्होंने जो बयान दिए थे?
मैंने पहले भी कहा केसी त्यागी जी पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता हैं और बराबर उन्होंने पार्टी के लिए कार्य किया है। इससे ज्यादा इस अवसर पर इन चीजों को जो लोग भी मसालेदार बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। जी,
आखिरी में आपसे बस पूछना चाहती हूँ, उन्होंने कहा है कि पर्सनल रीजंस के वजह से वो रिजाइन कर रहे हैं। कुछ पार्टी में उन्होंने बात की कि क्या रीजंस हैं?
जब उन्होंने पर्सनल रीजंस बताए तो सबको अपने पर्सनल रीजंस को नहीं बताने का भी अधिकार होता है ना।
ओके,
ये निजी और व्यक्तिगत कारण जब भी हम बोलते हैं तो वो ये कारण उनके निजी और व्यक्तिगत ही रहेंगे ना।
अच्छा, ओके। Rajiv Ranjan ji, thank you for joining us. Congratulations again. So Rajiv Ranjan Prasad is now going to be the JDU spokesperson. KC Tyagi has cited personal reasons in his resignation letter to the party. Sources saying that there was some displeasure from the party leadership over his statements, like Saket was also pointing out. Several statements that he had made in the recent past were not in line with the official stand of the JDU. So KC Tyagi resigning as the party's national spokesperson, citing personal reasons for his resignation in the letter to the party leadership. But there are speculations that all is not well within the JDU. KC Tyagi had recently made some of the statements, including on the Israel-Palestine issue, as well as the lateral entry controversy as well. And it seemed like the NDA was a divided house after the statement that was made by him. On lateral entry, KC Tyagi had said that the government's move was a matter of serious concern. Saket continues to stay live with us. Saket, as we were mentioning on the issue of lateral entry as well, KC Tyagi had made a statement that was not in line with the official line of the party. We'll go back to Saket in just a moment, but we've been saying KC Tyagi is said to have made statements without consulting the leaders, and there were also talks of alleged differences within the NDA due to his remarks. So the remarks that he was making was also leading to differences within the NDA, within the alliance partners, and that's also one of the reasons why there was some pressure allegedly on him to resign. So this is source-based information. Remember, he had also made comments on the Supreme Court's decision regarding the SC/ST and on the issue of lateral entry jobs into UPSC as well. And he had said that these decisions had been made without prior discussion within the party. So his statements did not go down too well within the NDA, with some also raising objection to it. He had also spoken about the Supreme Court refusing to stay the Patna High Court's order that set aside the state government's amendments to increase the quota. KC Tyagi had said that the JDU is in favor of a caste-based census in the country. Remember, this is one of the key demands that has been put forth by the India bloc parties, and time and again the NDA has accused the India bloc of trying to divide the nation. Amid the whole conversation around a caste-based census, KC Tyagi had said that the JDU was in fact in favor of a caste census in the country. Now, the JDU leader had also spoken about the lateral entry into the UPSC as well, and he had said that there is a need to appoint talented and motivated Indian nationals. He had said that this was against the party stand. So these are some of the statements that he had made in the recent past, also an indication that all was not well within the party. The statements that he had made did not go down too well with the NDA as well.